bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Toxla Boss. Yes. So today is your first time seeing my face. I really appreciate it. If you bosses, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also bosses, do not forget to turn your notification button on. Bosses, join the Boss Squad. I want you on my team. So if you're seeing my face and my existence, make sure to do just that. Thank you bosses so much. Really truly appreciate it. Really do. Okay bosses, so yeah bosses, let's get into this unit. This video is sponsored by AF Sister Wigs. Of course bosses, and this hair is giving me life. Bosses, everything you see on your screen here is literally how I received the unit. I know, crazy right? Even the curl pattern, AF Sister Wig pretty much curled the unit for me. They plucked the unit for me and everything. So bosses, no baby hair, no glue, no bald headed cap method, no nothing. Did not use none of those techniques to get this hair look. Okay bosses, so if you want to see how you can install the hair using none of these other methods that you see out here on YouTube, and bosses, you definitely got to keep on watching the video. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. Let's get into it bosses. Welcome. So today I'll be working with AF Sister Wig. I'm sure you already know. A whole present up in here, okay bosses? So let's open this package. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Wow. So I got a little clip in the package. Got the baby hair comb. Yes, need that. Got the stacking wig cap. Definitely need that. Also got some bobby pins. Definitely need it. Put that right there. This unit that I'm going to be working with in the video is actually a 3D full 13x6 skin melt Swiss lace bosses. Oh my god, lace front wig, and it's more lace and more parting space and everything bosses. And this unit is most definitely the Swiss lace, and it is a body wave. This unit came plucked to perfection. The unit is kind of already curled up. Oh my god, AF Sister Wig, y'all definitely did that. Y'all definitely did that for your girl. Cannot wait to style this joint. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my god, the unit is pre-plucked, y'all. You see that pre-plucking effect, y'all? Yes. Let's go into the unit. Okay. This unit came with the hairband, which is fire. Actually has like 4 comb inside of the units all around, but like I always stated bosses, I do not like the combs up top here. I like for my unit to lay very flat when I'm wearing it, so most likely I will take these combs from the front. This unit was already pre-bleached because pretty much I cannot see the knots, so it was already pre-bleached for me and everything like that, so which is really amazing. So first things first, what I want to do is actually apply my matte poreless foundation into the roots. The reason why I do that bosses, because it makes the unit looks more natural. It look more seamless and flawless on your hairline. Make sure to check out AF Sister Wig on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else that you go online at. AF Sister Wig is definitely there. So I'm just adding the foundation bosses. That's basically it. So once I do that, I want to place the unit on my head and check out how natural and flawless this unit is bosses. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that parting. Look at that parting. Check out the parting. So much parting space. Now let's begin to cut the ear part out bosses. That's the plus. Once I cut that part out, don't be afraid to cut some of the track off bosses, because you got to do what you got to do. Proceeding to the other side, and yes bosses, the unit is placed correctly. I'm going into the Got To Be spray bosses because that's what I had on hand. Normally I do prefer to use the Ebin spray, but the Got To Be was on hand, so I just decided to go in and use that bosses. And once you do that, you just want to go ahead and go into the blow dryer and blow the perimeters of your head bosses. That definitely ensure the unit stay put and secure to your liking. Blow dry it and then go on and add your headband to secure it. Nice work. So before I go with the hot comb, I just put the heat protector by Olive Oil on my hair, and then I go into the hot comb a little bit to position it. So yes bosses, once I take the band off, look at that hairline. It looks amazing. I'm truly speechless bosses. So I went ahead and cut the lace in section. Now I'm just cutting it off with the blades And basically that's how easy it is to get your hair on and popping, bosses. If you're still watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the ball squad. So I'm laying my edges down with this high C performance spritz, and bosses, I'll leave everything down below that I use in this video, so make sure to check out my links and the discount code down below for this unit. Okay, bosses? So now I'm just adding the headband, bosses. Once you add that, and I'm taking it off for the big reveal, bosses. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Adding a little bit of foundation to make it even more seamless. Went into the middle part, bosses. I basically show you, bosses, in this video how to achieve the middle part and the side part in this video, because this hair is very much so flawless and seamless. Definitely check out AF Sister Wigs. They definitely did that with this unit. Mind you, bosses, I did not curl this unit. It came just like that. And I love the curls so much. I was like, I'm keeping that curls in the hair just like that. It just looked flawless and amazing. Bosses, if you're still watching the video, what are you waiting for? Make sure to join the Boss Squad. Really, really appreciate it, bosses. Once again, bosses, I want to thank you, bosses, so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I hope you, bosses, are having a blessed and amazing day. I love you all for just checking this video out today. And yeah, bosses, not to forget, my discount code is listed down below, bosses. Let's try a side part on this unit. The unit came out so good, bosses. So yeah, bosses, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're still watching, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, bosses, so much once again, bosses. God bless. Have a blessed day and night, bosses. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye. That's why